In the EPCB production workshop, a reciprocating grate, double-drum biomass boiler is being prepared for shipment. From the boiler body itself to the auxiliary systems, every detail reflects EPCB's professional commitment to high efficiency, stable, and eco-friendly operation. This project utilizes an EPCB double-drum biomass steam boiler. The boiler features an optimized heating surface structure design, resulting in higher heat transfer efficiency and more stable steam output. The large furnace chamber design, combined with an intelligently routed flue gas path, effectively enhances fuel burnout rates and lowers exhaust gas temperatures. The boiler is equipped with a high-efficiency reciprocating grate system. The grate operates in segmented reciprocating motions, ensuring thorough agitation of the fuel for more uniform and stable combustion. It effectively mitigates issues related to slagging and ash accumulation, thereby enhancing the boiler's operational reliability. EPCB's intelligent PLC electrical control system enables one-touch startup, automated operation, and real-time monitoring. The deaerator effectively removes dissolved oxygen from the feedwater, thereby reducing the risk of oxygen-induced corrosion within the boiler. This system efficiently separates large particulate matter, reducing the operational load on downstream environmental protection equipment and boosting overall dust removal efficiency. Following pretreatment, the flue gas enters the water film dust removal system. This stage further purifies the flue gas by removing fine particulate matter, helping the enterprise meet environmental emission standards. A high-performance blower and induced draft fan system provides stable aerodynamic support for the boiler. This optimizes air-fuel ratios to enhance combustion efficiency while simultaneously reducing overall system energy consumption. A periodic blowdown system allows for the timely discharge of impurities and sediment accumulated within the boiler. The furnace chamber is constructed using high-quality refractory materials for the furnace arches. These materials possess exceptional high-temperature resistance and superior thermal insulation properties. The exterior of the boiler is clad with high-performance thermal insulation materials, effectively minimizes heat loss and reduces energy waste. From product design and manufacturing to shipping and delivery, EPCB consistently leverages professional expertise and high-quality service to provide global clients with stable, efficient, and eco-friendly biomass boiler solutions. EPCB, your personal boiler system expert.